Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to do a very simple natural looking look. For that, first we need to moisturize our face, and I'm using the Pond's moisturizer to moisturize my face. After that, I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream, which gives you a very natural looking skin, which is good for every day. Just blend it out with your beauty blender or your makeup brush, whichever you're comfortable with. After that, we're going to apply concealer. I'm going to use the Milani concealer first because it's a complete shade match. And after that, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution. Once we are done blending and now our skin looks flawless, I'm going to move to the eyebrows. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to use the Kat Von D eyebrow pencils, the definer one. And after which, I'm going to start bronzing my face to get some color and definition to my face. After bronzing, I'm going to apply Iba Cosmetics a lip and cheek tint in the shade I don't remember. I will put it down in the description box. I'm going to slightly apply it on the high points of my cheeks to give it a lifted effect. Also, I applied a little bit on my nose, so it gives a very natural looking, like, you're blushing from within kind of an effect. And it's so easy to blend and it stays for a very long time, the blush. So yeah, I love it. To keep it simple, I'm going to use the same bronzer that I use to bronze my face to apply it as an eyeshadow. It will give a slight color to the eyes and also make it look very natural. So the next product that I'm going to use are from K-Beauty, and these are these eyeshadow sticks. Believe me guys, if you don't have it, buy them, get your hands on it because they are absolutely beautiful. They can be used, in your everyday look. They can be used as glam look. Now, if you see, I have just used a little bit of the gold eyeshadow pencil and I am just dabbing it on my eyes, and this gives one of the most beautiful effect on the eyes. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a darker shade from the same line, and this is like a nice purplish, bluish kind of a shade which can be used, in nighttime especially. But I'm going to use this as a eyeliner. So it will give you a very beautiful, they are not over the top shimmery, so you don't have to worry using it in the daytime and getting a natural look out of it. But these are absolutely, and they are my favorite. Now, just to keep everything very soft looking, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to just smudge the outer corner of my lower lash line, so that it gives a nice, beautiful, smoky effect. And I'm just reapplying the eye pencil to make sure that I have the color pigment there. Now I'm going to take the same gold shade and apply it as a highlighter in my inner corners, on my little bit of the nose, bridge of the nose, and yes, on the cupid bow. Now for lipstick, I use this lipstick crayon sticks, which comes in a pack of 5 from the brand Renee. And this is their nude stick. So it has all the possible nude colors, and this is really very nice, very travel friendly. It comes with 5 shades of lipstick. What else do you need? So this is a final look, super soft, super glamorous, and you can wear it anywhere. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Take care. Bye.